To get 3D live wallpapers in Motorola Signature, first of all, I would recommend to download an app called Grubble. However you want to pronounce it, in the Google Play Store, you'll be able to find it. Just click on the search, type in the Grubble, and then look for this specific app. When you can download it, and when it's ready, you can open it. So I chose this app because it has the best outcome when it comes to ads. So you don't get many ads popping up when you try to change those wallpapers, where with other apps you will get the ad every 1 second basically. So in this case, we can, when it's open, you can go for any live wallpapers that you like right here throughout the different categories. In this case, we're gonna go for the live AMOLED, and then we can choose something like this. We can click on OK, then click on the wallpaper and confirm it like that. And if the phone would allow me, I would like to go back, but for some reason those buttons don't work. Okay, and now as you can see, we have this 3D wallpaper, and that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.